Did you know over 40 million American adults over 50 wake up every morning feeling swollen, uncomfortable, and trapped in their own bodies? That's right. Not from overeating, not from late-night snacks, but from what's happening inside your gut while you sleep. And if you're over 50, there's a very real chance this is happening to you right now. Let me ask you something. Have you ever woken up with a tight, distended belly, like you're 6 months pregnant even though you barely ate dinner? Do you feel that uncomfortable pressure pushing against your waistband before you even get out of bed? Or maybe your stomach feels so bloated and gassy that getting dressed in the morning becomes painful. You're not imagining it. This isn't just indigestion. It's inflammation. A slow, silent buildup of trapped gas, undigested food, and gut bacteria gone wrong, happening while your body is supposed to be healing itself during sleep. See, while we sleep, our digestive system goes into repair mode. But in many seniors, the gut doesn't get what it needs to properly empty, calm down, and reset. Food sits there fermenting. Gas production ramps up. The stomach lining gets irritated. And worst of all, chronic bloating starts destroying your confidence, your comfort, and even your willingness to leave the house. This is the pain no one talks about. The fear of waking up every single day feeling like a balloon, knowing it's only getting worse. But here's the thing. There's still hope. And it's not in some expensive probiotic or antacid. The truth is, there are specific nutrients your gut needs every night to calm inflammation, push out trapped gas, and reset your digestive rhythm. And most of them can be delivered in something as simple as a warm bowl of soup. Yes, soup. The right soups before bed can soothe your stomach lining, feed your good bacteria, and trigger healing while you sleep. And in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 soups that do exactly that, starting with a golden classic you probably already have in your pantry. But before we dive in, I'm Dr. David R. Collins from Gut Health Seniors, and I've spent years helping people over 50 reclaim their digestive comfort naturally. If this is your first time here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, especially if you care about protecting your gut health as you age. According to a review published by Johns Hopkins Medicine, seniors who consume anti-inflammatory, gut-soothing nutrients before bed experienced significantly less morning bloating and improved digestive motility overnight. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me, do you wake up bloated more than 3 times a week? Let me know so I know I'm not alone in wanting to help you fix this. You're about to discover why the first soup on this list works like a gentle overnight reset button for your entire digestive system, and why most doctors never mention it. Now, let me tell you about the first soup. A soup that looks as healing as it tastes. Ginger carrot soup. I know, carrots might remind you of salads or side dishes, but what most people don't realize is that this bright orange root vegetable, combined with fresh ginger, is one of the most powerful bloating relief foods on the planet. And when it's blended into a warm, creamy soup, it becomes a healing elixir for your gut, especially at night. So why ginger and carrots together? Because carrots are loaded with soluble fiber, the kind that soaks up excess gas and gently moves things through your digestive tract without cramping or strain. Just 1 cup of cooked carrots gives you nearly 15% of your daily fiber needs. And here's why that matters. Fiber isn't just roughage. It's fuel for your good gut bacteria. When you don't get enough, those bacteria starve, and the bad ones take over, producing more gas, more fermentation, more bloating. That's where the morning swelling comes from. But carrots alone aren't the magic. It's the ginger that makes this soup unstoppable. Ginger contains gingerol and shogal, 2 natural compounds that work like a gentle broom for your digestive system. They calm inflammation in the stomach lining, speed up gastric emptying, and stop gas from building up overnight. According to a 2018 study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, ginger consumption before bed significantly reduced bloating and abdominal distension in adults over 50, especially when combined with warm, easily digestible meals like soups. Here's the real magic, though. When you consume ginger carrot soup warm before bed, not cold, not at lunch, but warm at dinner, the heat relaxes your digestive muscles. The fiber absorbs trapped gas, and the gingerol goes to work calming your gut lining as you sleep. That's how you wake up flat, comfortable, and ready to move without that heavy, swollen feeling. One of my patients, Margaret, 68, started having ginger carrot soup just 3 nights a week. Within 2 weeks, her morning bloating was nearly gone. She told me, "Doc, I haven't felt this light in years. I forgot what it's like to wake up without pain." Simple, but powerful. Now, if you're wondering what kind of carrots to use, I recommend organic baby carrots or regular orange carrots. Both work beautifully. And for the ginger, fresh is always best, about a thumb-sized piece, peeled and grated. But don't worry, I'll give you a simple plan at the end of this video so you know exactly how to use it, even if you don't cook often. But first, let's talk about a very different kind of soup. One that doesn't just calm your gut, but helps rebuild the very lining that's been damaged by years of inflammation, especially if you're over 60. Let's talk about bone broth with fennel. If ginger carrot soup calms your gut with fiber and anti-inflammatory power, then bone broth with fennel rebuilds it from the inside out. You see, as we age, one of the biggest silent losses we face isn't just energy or muscle. It's gut lining integrity. And that matters more than most people realize, because your gut lining is what stands between digested food and your bloodstream. I'm talking about that thin, delicate layer of cells that keeps toxins out, nutrients in, and your entire digestive system functioning smoothly. All of it relies heavily on something called tight junctions, and those junctions need collagen and amino acids to stay strong. But here's the painful truth. After the age of 50, your body produces less and less collagen every single year. By the time you're 70, you could be making up to 75% less collagen than you did in your youth. And that's not just about wrinkles or sagging skin. In the gut, this collagen loss can lead to leaky gut syndrome, slower digestion, increased food sensitivities, weakening of the stomach lining, trapped gas that won't move, and a significantly higher risk of chronic bloating, acid reflux, and IBS flare-ups. That's where bone broth comes in. Real bone broth, made from simmering animal bones and connective tissue for hours, releases gelatin, glycine, proline, and collagen peptides that your body can actually use to repair damaged gut lining. Not pills, not powders, not gimmicks, just real, slow-cooked healing in a bowl. And when you add fennel seeds to it, you're doubling down on bloating relief. Fennel has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to break up trapped gas, reduce cramping, and soothe the intestinal walls. It's like a natural carminative, a fancy word for gas buster. When you have bone broth with fennel before bed, your body doesn't waste that opportunity. During deep sleep, your digestive system slows down. And that's exactly when tissue repair and gut lining regeneration are most active. You're not just feeding your stomach. You're feeding your gut while it heals. Here's what the science says. A 2019 study published in the journal Nutrients found that collagen supplementation in aging adults helped improve intestinal barrier function, reduced inflammation, and even enhanced gut motility, key factors in preventing chronic bloating and discomfort. And a 2020 review in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology concluded that fennel extract significantly reduced abdominal bloating and gas retention in seniors with functional digestive disorders. Look, you don't need to make this complicated. Bone broth doesn't need to be a gourmet dish. Just get high-quality, low-sodium broth, or make your own by simmering chicken or beef bones for 8 to 12 hours. Add onion, garlic, celery, and 1 tablespoon of crushed fennel seeds. That's it. What matters most is consistency. Drinking it at least 2 to 3 nights a week before bed, warm and slowly. Let it coat your stomach. Let it do its work. And no, it won't upset your stomach or make you gassy. Bone broth is naturally easy to digest, low in fat when skimmed properly, and high in glycine, an amino acid shown to reduce gut inflammation and support digestive enzyme production. If you're still watching, drop a comment and tell me your age. Let me know if you've ever tried bone broth before. I'd love to hear from you. So while ginger carrot soup calms bloating with fiber and ginger, bone broth with fennel helps you rebuild the gut lining. Your digestive system depends on collagen, tight junctions, and smooth muscle tone. And when you give your body both, you're not just preventing bloating. You're actively working to reverse years of damage. Now, for those of you who prefer plant-based options, don't worry. There's one more soup on our list that's fully vegetarian, loaded with gut-soothing nutrients, and surprisingly powerful for deflating bloating overnight. Let's talk about miso lentil soup. If there's one soup that proves simple doesn't mean weak, it's miso lentil soup. It may not look fancy, but inside each spoonful is a concentrated source of gut-healing probiotics and minerals that many seniors unknowingly fall short on: magnesium and live cultures. Let's talk about miso first. Miso is fermented soybean paste, and fermentation is the key word here. You can eat all the fiber in the world, but if you don't have enough good bacteria in your gut, your digestive system can't break down food properly. Gas builds up, bloating takes over, and you wake up feeling stuffed and swollen. Miso is packed with live probiotics, billions of beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium that colonize your gut and restore balance. And it's not just about adding good bugs. It's about crowding out the bad ones, the ones that produce excess hydrogen and methane gas, the main culprits behind that tight, distended belly. In fact, a 2021 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults with higher probiotic intake from fermented foods had better gut motility, less gas retention, and significantly lower rates of chronic bloating. And unlike many probiotic pills that don't survive your stomach acid, miso delivers those bacteria gently, slowly, and along with enzymes that help you digest protein and carbs more efficiently. But miso alone isn't the full picture. It's the lentils that make this soup a powerhouse. Lentils are rich in magnesium, a mineral that acts like a natural muscle relaxer for your digestive tract. When your gut muscles are too tight, food moves slowly. Gas gets trapped. Bloating lingers for hours, even days. Magnesium helps those muscles contract and release smoothly, like a gentle wave pushing everything through. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18% of your daily magnesium needs, plus prebiotic fiber that feeds the probiotics from the miso. It's a 1-2 punch. The miso seeds your gut with good bacteria. The lentils feed them and keep things moving. Now, let me share a quick story. Robert, 71, told me he was frustrated with how bloated he felt every single morning. He'd wake up at 5 a.m., look down, and see his belly pushing out like he'd eaten a Thanksgiving feast. He tried cutting carbs, skipping dinner, even sleeping propped up. Nothing worked. I suggested he try miso lentil soup 3 nights a week. Nothing processed, just simple ingredients. Cooked red lentils, miso paste stirred in at the end, diced zucchini, and a drizzle of sesame oil. After 2 weeks, he texted me, "Doctor, I don't know if it's the soup or magic, but I'm waking up flat for the first time in years. My pants fit again." That's how powerful these small changes can be when you give your gut the nutrients it needs in the form it understands. And remember, lentils are also rich in folate, which supports healthy gut lining repair and reduces inflammation. Even better, they're budget-friendly, easy to batch cook, and perfect for meal prep. So whether you're plant-based or just want to reduce meat, miso lentil soup is a powerhouse that deserves a permanent spot on your weekly dinner plan. You've now got 3 powerful night soups. Ginger carrot for fiber and anti-inflammatory relief. Bone broth with fennel for gut lining repair and gas release. Miso lentil for probiotics, magnesium, and smooth digestion. But knowing what to eat is only half the battle. Next, I'll show you exactly how to combine them in a weekly plan so your gut gets the right nutrients at the right time, without the guesswork. Let's build your nighttime healing routine, step by step. Now that you know the why, let's talk about the how. Because information is only powerful when it's put into action. And the truth is, healing your gut at night doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to be a chef. You don't need a cabinet full of supplements. You just need a bowl of the right soup at the right time, consistently. So here's a simple weekly rhythm I often suggest to my patients. It's flexible, easy to remember, and it fits right into your routine. On Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, make those your ginger carrot soup nights. This warm, golden bowl is packed with fiber and gingerol to calm inflammation and sweep out trapped gas. It's best served warm, blended smooth, and eaten about 1 to 2 hours before bed. That timing gives your body a chance to digest and lets the ginger go to work while you sleep. On Tuesdays and Fridays, it's time to go deeper. Those are your bone broth with fennel nights. Whether it's chicken or beef, this warm, nourishing broth helps rebuild your gut lining and releases stubborn gas with fennel's natural carminative power. If you have time, make it at home. If not, buy a clean, low-sodium version and add crushed fennel seeds yourself. Sip it slowly and let it coat your stomach. Then on Thursdays and Sundays, rotate in miso lentil soup. These are your probiotic-powered reset days. Lentils give you magnesium to relax your digestive muscles. Miso gives you billions of live bacteria to rebalance your gut flora. Add diced zucchini or spinach for extra nutrients. And always stir the miso in at the end. Never boil it, or you'll kill those beneficial probiotics. The best part? You don't have to cook every single night. Make a big batch once or twice a week. Store it in the fridge or freezer and reheat gently before bed. The nutrients stay intact, and your gut still gets exactly what it needs. But timing matters. Try to eat between 6:30 and 7:30 in the evening. That gives your body time to digest without rushing, and allows the nutrients to go where they're needed before your natural sleep repair cycle begins around 10 p.m. Skip the bread. Skip the crackers. Keep the portion moderate, about 1 to 1.5 cups. Pair your soup with a glass of room temperature water, not cold, because cold liquids can slow digestion. And remember, if you miss a day, don't stress. This isn't about perfection. It's about building a rhythm your body can rely on. Honestly, if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to try this starting tonight. 3 weeks from now, your mornings could feel lighter. You might wake up with a flat stomach, less pressure, and a new level of confidence to wear what you want, go where you want, and feel comfortable in your own skin again. You've learned what works. Now you have a plan. The only thing left is to begin, starting tonight. And before we finish, let me leave you with one final message. Because this journey isn't just about soup. It's about hope, dignity, and the quiet power of daily choices. Even after 50, 60, or 70. If you've watched this far, I want to say this. Thank you. Thank you for taking your health seriously. Thank you for not giving up on your body. And thank you for choosing hope over helplessness. You see, most people are told that bloating is just part of aging. They hear things like, it's normal, or there's nothing you can do. But that's simply not true. Because today you've learned that healing is still possible. That your gut is not broken. It's just waiting for the right support. Ginger carrot soup gave you fiber and anti-inflammatory power to calm your stomach and sweep out gas. Bone broth with fennel gave your gut the collagen and amino acids to repair damaged lining and release trapped air. And miso lentil soup delivered the probiotics and magnesium that restore balance and keep everything moving smoothly. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're not expensive, and they don't require a doctor's visit. They just require a decision. A decision to take care of yourself, even if no one else is watching. A decision to believe that your best years can still feel light, comfortable, and full of dignity. You are not too old. You are not too late. And you are not alone. I've seen this kind of healing in people who are 60, 70, even 81 years old, just by changing what they ate at night and sticking to it. And if they can do it, so can you. So tonight, choose one soup. Start simple. Give your body something it can use, and let your sleep become a time of restoration, not silent suffering. And if this video gave you hope, if it helped you feel seen, or if it reminded you that your health still matters, then please give it a like, share it with someone you love, and comment below to tell us which soup you're starting with. And if this is your first time here, I'd be honored if you'd subscribe to Gut Health Seniors. We're building a community of strong, hopeful people over 50, and you belong here. Take care of your gut. Take care of your nights. And above all, don't stop believing in what's still possible. I'm Dr. David R. Collins. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Healing begins the night you choose yourself again.